The Madlanga Commission has heard that an email was sent to former IDAC head Andrea Johnson warning that the prosecution of crime intelligence officials had been rushed, but no response was received. This is according to IDAC Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Peter Sarunye, who told the Commission that while his email to Johnson stated that there was a prima facie case of fraud, there was no case of corruption on the available evidence. Sarunye concluded his testimony yesterday. Let's now cross to SABC News reporter Canny Maphanga, who has the latest from there. Canny, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Leanne, and to the viewers at home. As the Commission continues to advance on the IDAC cases, that is the handling of the crime intelligence cases that were under IDAC's watch, the main question today will be who came up with those bail conditions that basically barred Lieutenant General Dumsani Khumalo and others from entering any crime intelligence office in the country. Now, this bail condition, if we rewind back to KZN Top Cop, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's, testimony before the probe, what he stated is that the intention behind this particular matter was never to pursue justice, but rather to achieve this particular bail condition, which was to ensure that these particular officers had no access to the crime intelligence officers. And now it's about testing whether or not there is any truth to that particular claim. And the evidence so far is not only pointing to a case that was allegedly rushed to court and didn't have the facts or factual foundation or legal basis, let's put it that way, to take it to court or to charge them with fraud and corruption over the appointment of Brigadier Mokwele. It's now up to the Commission to get to the bottom of who or what this particular bail condition emanates from, because at least what we see now is that there are several prosecutors who are alleging that they had nothing to do with this particular bail condition. Also, Brian Pariachi has come before the probe and stated that he doesn't have anything to do with it. And the question remains, well, where did it come from? And that answer will lie in Jushanta Ramsami's testimony as she returns this morning, because we understand that she will also testify that Hlatshwayo, who is the junior prosecutor in the matter, had nothing to do with this bail condition. If we look at the continuous pattern in the handling of the Mokwele case, one can only turn to the magistrate or the ID to get an understanding as to where this particular bail condition came from and who or what could have informed it. We also understand that that particular history in Johnson's past as a senior public prosecutor may become important in this regard as well, as it seems, as Sarunye has confirmed yesterday, that this had little to do with justice and could have been about internal factional battles within crime intelligence. We'll get into some of Sarunye's testimony in the next hour and why his current position may actually be in conflict with what he did at the time when he was brought in to deal with the Mokwele matter. All that and more in the next hour.
All right, thanks very much, Canny Maphanga. We'll touch base with you once again at 7 o'clock.